doing everything manually in your business and replying to customers all by yourself? Well, now I am here to convert your manual chaos to magical automation, and we are going to do this by creating an AI assistant for your own business. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for automating your business. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and now I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant for automating your business. But before that we are going to test this AI assistant. So for showing it's working, let's move on to my WhatsApp with me, and here I am going to enter a message that is, hey, I need help. And as I will enter this message, my AI assistant will respond to me according to the knowledge base I have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains details of my business. And here within seconds my AI assistant has replied to me with a message. Now I am going to enter another question for my AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, that is, what services do you provide? And here as I have entered this message, my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from the knowledge base which contains details of my business, and my AI assistant is going to fetch the data from here. So now let's move on to the WhatsApp again, and here you can see my AI assistant is responding to me with the services provided by this business, that is shop, ease, retail. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this message, that is, please provide me the product categories you offer. And now let's wait for the response of our AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message consisting of the products provided by this business. So here you can see that how easily I have automated my conversation with my clients. Now I'm going to enter one more question for testing this AI assistant. So here I'm going to enter this message over here, and as I have provided this message, my AI assistant is responding to me with refund policies. So now let's check whether is this the data I have provided to my knowledge base for the second question, that is for the product categories. So here you can see in my knowledge base I'm getting the same data which I have entered in my knowledge base, that is the category, description and its pricing, which is same as provided by my AI assistant. So here you can see how amazing our AI assistant is. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for your own business. So for that you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow by its URL. No worries, I have provided the Pabbly Chatflow URL in the description box, and you will be landed to the Pabbly Chatflow page where you have to sign up your account for free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing Pabbly Chatflow. And once you will land to the Pabbly Chatflow, you will be getting this option for AI assistant on the sidebar which you have to select. But firstly you have to add your WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, and if you want a detailed video of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find video link in the description given below. And as you will select this AI assistant, you will be landed to the AI assistant page where you have to provide the assistant name, and you will be landed to this AI instructions tab where you have to select the instruction type, where I have selected my instruction type as AI agent, but you can select custom prompt also, and you will be getting the prompt instruction. And here I'm going to keep it as the same, that is AI agent, and here you will be getting this instruction, and you can modify this instruction according to you. And afterwards you will be getting this option for temperature. So temperature basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative, but here I'm going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5, as this is the most friendly temperature. And afterwards here it is asking me to select the AI to use. So here I have selected my OpenAI, and afterwards I have selected my model as GPT-4o mini, and here we are getting this option for entering the API key. So for getting the API key you have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting this API key, let's move on to our OpenAI API's key page. Now here you have to simply click over this create new secret key button, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your secret key or the API key will be created. But I have already added my API key over here, and afterwards you simply have to click over this connect button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully, means we have successfully connected our OpenAI key. And afterwards we are getting the section for AI assistant settings where we are getting the option for entering the header message. So if you want to enter the header message you can enable it and provide the header message, and same for the footer message, you just have to enable it and you can provide the footer message also. Now afterwards we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word stop. So for that we just have to make this word as our keyword. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one stop keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will enter a message consisting of this word, our AI assistant will be stopped. But here I am going to disable this stop keyword, and afterwards we are getting this option for entering the retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10, but here I am going to just disable it. And afterwards we are getting this option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be sent when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So with this, we are done with our AI instruction tab. Now let's manage our knowledge source, and here we have to upload the knowledge base which contains the details of our business. But you have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted in .txt or .pdf, and if your .pdf file has any images, then there is a limitation of only 10 pages. But if you don't have any image, then no worries, we don't have any limitation. And for downloading the file in either of the format, you just have to go to your knowledge base, and here on the files option you will be getting this option for download, and on the downloads you can see the formats on which we have to download the file. So you can download your file in either of the format, that is .txt or .pdf, and I have already downloaded my files. And from here you have to upload your file by selecting this button. So here you can observe that I am landed to my download section where I am getting the file, that is Shop Ease Retail Knowledge Base. So from here you can upload your file, and afterwards your file will be uploaded and you will be getting this name and the vector ID, and by this way you can upload your file. Now let's configure our assistant interface, and here you can see we are getting this option for header display heading name. So here I am going to provide my brand name, that is Shop Ease, and here you can observe that this header display heading name is appearing over the preview of your chatbot, and afterwards we are getting this option for header display subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and this is appearing over the header section as a subheading name in the preview of your chatbot. And afterwards we are getting this option for initial message, and here we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today, and this message is also appearing over the preview of your chatbot. And if you want to create your own initial message, you just have to type it. Now let's say I'm going to add one more initial message, that is hello. So for that we just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our another initial message is also ready, which is appearing over the preview of your chatbot. But here I am going to remove this initial message which I have recently created, and afterwards we are getting this option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled, but I am going to disable it and see the changes. And here you can see as I have disabled it, the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared from the preview of your chatbot, but here I am going to keep it as enabled. You can select according to you. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer text, and here we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over the preview of your chatbot, and here you can provide the footer text according to you. And afterwards we are getting this option for footer link, and here we are already getting a footer link, so you can provide footer link according to you here. Now at last we are getting this users first message, so here we are already getting a users first message, that is I need help, but here I am going to convert it as hey I need help, and this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from the user's side, which I have recently entered while testing our AI assistant. So here we are done with our assistant interface also. Now let's move on to the styling section and customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. So the first option we are getting is for selecting the theme mode, which is already selected as light. Now let's change it to dark and see the changes, and here you can see as I have selected the dark theme mode, the preview of the chatbot has been changed in dark theme mode. So from here you can select either of the theme mode, but here I am going to keep it as light. And afterwards we are getting this option for assistant shape, so from here you can select the shape according to you, and here we are getting some of the shape, that is circle, square and rounded square. And afterwards we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the coloring. Now let's say I'm going to change the coloring of this assistant background color, so I'm going to select another color, and as I have selected it you can see the changes in the preview of your chatbot. So from here you can change the coloring of the properties of your WhatsApp chatbot or the AI assistant. And afterwards we are getting this option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to provide any kind of these profiles, you can provide it here. And with this we have successfully created our AI assistant. So here you can see how easily I have built in this AI assistant even without a single word coding. And you have to remember that this toggle should be enabled for activating your AI assistant. And afterwards for saving our AI assistant, you simply have to click over this save AI assistant, and here you can see our AI assistant has been saved successfully. And if you want to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over this embed button and you will be getting the script code. So you just have to paste the script code to your business and the AI assistant will be embedded to your business. Now I'm going to show you how you can enable AI assistant for your all contacts or for a particular chat. So for enabling the AI assistant for a particular contact, you just have to go to inbox and you will be landed to this inbox page, and here you can see this is my contact number, and on my contact number you can see I'm getting this option for choose AI assistant. So you just have to enable it, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to choose. So here I'm going to keep it as the same, that is retail product support AI. Now we simply have to click over the save button, and here our AI assistant has been enabled successfully for a particular chat. And for enabling AI assistant for your all contacts, you just have to go to settings, and here you can see that we are getting this option for inbox settings. So you just have to select it and you will be landed to the inbox settings page. Now you just have to scroll down, and here you can see that we are getting this option for enable AI auto replies. So you have to keep it as enable, and from here you can select any particular contact list for which you want to enable this AI assistant, and you can either select all contacts, and from here you have to select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So now you can observe that how easily we have built in this AI assistant for automating our business, and we can enable our AI assistant for all contacts so easily. So this is the way you can create an AI assistant for your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants and automations like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and if you have any doubt you can post it over the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.